Good morning, colleagues. My name is Glukhareva Elena Ivanovna. I'm an English teacher from Kokshetau Secondary School Gymnasium number 1. I'd like to present you my video lesson for 7th class, Unit of Study 8, Healthy Habits. Lesson title is Discussing Healthy Habits and Healthy Living. I designed a lesson according with the subject program and course plan. There are 3 learning objectives that this lesson is contributing to: C1, L4, and S7. Lesson objectives are based on and closely linked to learning objectives. I define lesson objectives as SMART, that is measurable and achievable. So I divide my students into all, some, and most by success criteria according to Bloom's taxonomy. Good morning, students. Let us start our video lesson. Look at this picture and guess, what is the theme of today's lesson? Great, you are right. Healthy habits. The theme of the lesson is discussing healthy habits and healthy living. As you can see, lesson objectives are closely connected with learning objectives. So all learners will be able to, by the end of the lesson, name healthy food and junk food, define 4 or 5 healthy habits while listening. Most learners will be able to apply appropriate vocabulary on the topic healthy living. Some learners will be able to design a list of recommendations for healthy living and conclude on the discussion. So let's work with learningapps.org. Our task is to use this link and do the activity, find a pair. Copy this link and paste it into the address bar. So you see, find a pair exercise. Press the OK button. Our aim is to revise vocabulary on the topic healthy and junk food, find pairs of words and pictures. Choose a picture and relevant card. For example, hot dog. So we match the picture to the word. Then lemon. As you can see, if you give correct answer, then the picture and the word disappear from the screen. But if you are mistaken, then the picture and the word are in a red frame. Do it again. I'll teach listening and speaking skills through watching video. So let's watch video Being Fit and Healthy. You see the link on the screen, copy the link and paste it into the address bar. Our aim of using video is to improve listening and speaking skills of learners, give them opportunity to use vocabulary from the video.
These days, I feel a little bit lazy. It's time to make some lifestyle changes. My friend Martin says that exercise and healthy eating are really important. I'm going to be more like Martin.
So you can see that this video is about lifestyle changes for young teenagers. If you learners didn't catch the content, so you may listen to this video again as many times as you need. While listening for the second time, you may note down any you hear. So then you see some activities after watching. First is going to. We make sentences using going to. For example, I am going to join the gym and get fit. I'm going to drink lots of water. Check answer. And you get your score. So as for the second task or activity, which word can you hear? After listening, you are to fill in the gaps with the correct word from the box. These days I feel a little bit lazy. It's time to make some lifestyle changes. Great, good job. Again, you get your score. Task 3. It is the whole text of the video and we are to fill the gaps with the missing words. These days I feel a little bit lazy. It's time to make some lifestyle changes. My friend Martin says that exercise and healthy eating are really important. And so on. Check answer. Yes, you are right. And your score is here. But if we want to have some transcript of this task, here it is. You may download it on your computer. Let's talk about healthy habits. You can see some examples in first conditional sentences. For example, if you eat fruit and vegetables, you will be healthy. If you do physical exercises every day, you will be healthy. I consider that if you do sports, you will be healthy because sports give you strength. So give more examples. Next slide is how to keep fit. You may use should or shouldn't modal verbs to make up advice. You should eat lots of fruit and vegetables. You should go for a run every day. You shouldn't take the bus to school. You should walk or cycle. You should eat less sugar. So students, we are coming to an end. What are your recommendations for healthy living? Let's create a list of recommendations for healthy living. It will be your creative task. I advise you, eat healthily, fruits and vegetables during the day. Do sport as soon as you can. Be happy and don't worry. Sleep well, 8 hours minimum. Be positive about food. I wish you to live a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching and goodbye.